My name is Kim, and I'm with the South Haven Chamber of Commerce. And today we're going to show you how to upload a deal or a discount or a coupon. And we're also going to look at job postings on InfoHub today. So as you can see on the screen, we're already at our main InfoHub login screen. On the left-hand side is our main menu. That's where we showed you before on how to change your info and update your billing, pay bills, all that fun stuff. So if you go down below, you'll see deals and discounts. So we're going to start there. Click on deals and discounts. And the current one that's out there is the Office Depot savings card. We just recently actually published it out here so that everyone has access to the account number and the website so that you can log in and get your savings when you order online. But let's say your company is going to offer a 20% off a service or an item for members of the chamber. So we're going to come over here and click the add button. I'm going to give it a title. So we're going to say 20%. Oh, I can't type today. 20% off a service. And then you want to give it a description of maybe explain the service a little bit better, what all this is. Search description, you could put in deal, discount, maybe coupon, service, whatever more keywords that'll help people find it a little bit easier. And then we have categories. We have coupons, deals, and discounts here as well. So however you'd like to list this item, completely up to you is fine. Will this expire? Maybe it's only good for 30 days. Maybe it's good till the end of the month. So let's make sure that you put an expiration date in here. Does the user of the discount, deal, or coupon need a promo code? Maybe that is going to be something like that. So the 100 South Haven Chamber of Commerce. Whatever you want to do for the promo code, you don't have to have that in here. It could just be an open 20% off, and then they have to show proof that they're a chamber member. Or for me, I think it would be easier to have a promo code so that way you know they're getting it from the chamber. If there's any questions, you want to make sure you have a contact that people can get a hold of. So definitely put a name in here. And then in this case, it's our South Haven account, but I can say I'm the one who posted it. Your published start date and your end date. And then if there's an image, maybe there's an ad that goes with it, or it's a coupon that they can actually right click on and print it, or save the image and print it. However you want to handle that is completely up to you, but there's lots of options in here. So that way you can make this deal as special as you want, as pretty as you want. And that's all you have to do. And then you would just hit submit right down here. And then we get a confirmation that the deals and discounts have been submitted. So I don't believe it's automatically approved. I'm going to hit refresh on my screen. It is actually automatically approved. So you can see that 20% off service I just entered is now available and visible out here. We always go back and double check though when we get notifications of new postings, just to make sure everything is live for you. The other item that we're going to look at today is job postings. So if you click on job postings, you notice we have a couple new ones out here, which is great. Bank First has a teller and a head teller, and then Vitalrent.org has a job posting as well. So if you wanted to look at those, you can actually click on them and look at the posting. And again, as much or as little as you want out here for the job posting, completely up to you. Would highly recommend that you put a link to the website of the company and also to the application process. So if the company's website's different than how they're applying for the job, You want to make sure that all that information is out here and available for your customer. So we're going to come back over to job postings and we're going to actually look at how to add one. So we're going to go over here, just like in deals and discounts, click the add button. And again, it's going to be very, very similar. It has some other fields because we're talking about a job posting, but you have title, description, the job type, your education level, your experience level, job function, and it says here, select as many options as apply. So it helps that the more we start building out this database of jobs, it will help people search and find the right kind of jobs for them. So let's use those descriptors as best as we can. And again, don't forget to put those links in up in your description for the company website and also the application site as well. That's just super, super important. And then any other images, maybe you want to put the company logo out here, you can add that. Then when you're all done, you would go ahead and hit submit. And that's all you need to do. And job postings, I believe we do have to approve those. So we will see those and validate, make sure that they are a current member before we publish those. So those are usually not quite as immediate. So usually within 24 hours, it'll be visible. So, alrighty, folks. And again, if you have any questions on either job postings or deals and discounts, let us know. We're more than happy to walk you through it again. Or if you have any additional questions or concerns, please give us a call at the office. All right. Well, thank you so very much for joining me today, and you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.